Good luck and good bowling.
Yeah. All right, so we're here at the Players, and we are bowling 8 games today, 8 games tomorrow. Cut to the top half, and then another 8 games, and then another cut to the half of that. So there we go. Best intro ever. Right off. What do you want? Whatever you got.
Maybe I got some talent.
You got lots of that.
I tried to drill some after yesterday.
Well, I'm sure you'll do the thing.
We'll see.
Like always. Ball go, bud.
Thanks, pal.
Yeah. Alright, so it's day 2. We didn't get a lot of filming yesterday because my phone died, so we got like 4 games worth of clips, but we ended up at 40 over. We are just inside the first cut. They're taking the top half. I think I'm like 2 pins inside the number. I feel like my ball reaction was good yesterday, but I missed 70 pins worth of spares. That was the worst spare shooting day of the year by far. My hip's not feeling so good. I've had like shooting pain through my quad. I didn't expect that. I felt it right before we started bowling, so it wasn't, well, God, I've been traveling a lot lately, sitting on planes, so haven't had a lot of time to recover, I guess. Regardless, we got to deal with it. It's not feeling much better today. I tried to stretch it out a little more, but we're trying to look at more of that 43 number because that's where the cash is at. We're about 70 out of that, so we get a good block in today. We'll be bowling tomorrow, and then hopefully we can figure out how to string some strikes. Actually, we'll figure out how to string some strikes today. Make some spares. Get a little bit of momentum, because I felt like momentum was not on our side yesterday. With the twister pins, the 9-pin shows up pretty often. We just got to make some better ball choices. They opened up pretty nice. They're pretty hard to start, so hopefully we can grind through it and then get a couple big ones towards the end. Overall, I feel like the 2-handed shots are a little bit better. Just didn't expect the spare shot to go south, so hopefully that's better today as well. A little more aware of what my leg is doing and what the miss is. It was consistently like an arrow off my hand to the right, so play for the miss, I guess. Or just focus a little more, take a little more time. Spares are big, guys. Like, don't count those out. Those cost a lot. Like, I would be around that 43 number if I picked up all my spares yesterday. So, if it comes down to it, it's gonna be the spare shooting. So, let's get it. All right, had a good block today. Only missed 2 makeables. They both pounded my brains in, but 226 over. That should put us close to that second cut, that 43 number. So drilled an IQ AI for tomorrow because I need something after the Ion Pro. And yeah, bonus bowling. All right, we get a bowl with the kid. Let's go.
We found love, baby.
We found love. We are in 34th right now. The top 43 move on to the next round. So one more good block, we should be all right. But 8 more games. Hopefully it's a long day. Back at the bowl, we qualified. We're in 36 currently, 140 out of the number. I drilled an Ion Max because my look on the fresh has been pretty bad. Urethane has not been in for me. So I'm gonna throw urethane pretty much all practice to try to push the oil down, create a little more room in front of the head pin for the reactive ball. 3.5 by 5.5 by 2 on this Ion Max. So the goal is to get this thing as smooth as possible. Hopefully he does that. See how it looks. And we're gonna need a lot of strikes here, so hopefully we can pick up a little bit on the fresh and then hit them a little harder down the stretch. Because, yeah, we're gonna need it. Well, I just wanted to finish on a high note. I had a chance to bowl 250 the last game, and I threw the one-handed shot, 3-6-10, chopped it, finished. I think we're gonna finish like 32nd or 3rd. Not bad. Best major finish so far this year, and a little momentum going into next week. So, pretty okay about that. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I do have a discount code on tvbowlingsupply.com. I think it's Tang for 5% off, so go ahead and use that. And I'll be watching Chris tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching.